Fix error code 0xA0F4244, 0xC00DABE0, when running built-in camera on Windows 10. Possible solution: Step 1, check if your antivirus software, if you're using some third-party one, is blocking access or permission to use your webcam. Here, we just take Kaspersky Internet Security 2016 for Mac as an example. Step 2, check for an outdated webcam driver. Note, if you don't find a file name that includes stream.sys, try rolling back your webcam driver. Step 3, uninstall. Current webcam driver and scan for hardware changes. Step 4, change pictures and videos will be saved. On start, select Setting System Storage. Look to see what's listed under New Pictures will save to. Step 5, a new camera roll folder in your OS disk, where you had your Windows installed, then press and hold, or right-click, the camera roll folder you just created, and then select Include in Library Camera Roll. Step 6, check permissions on the camera roll folder and make sure that the option Allow for Write is enabled. Step 7, down. The camera driver directly from the manufacturer's website. Credit, Windows Central. Step 8, check if you disabled your camera accidentally, press the F6, for chili green, /F8 key or Shift plus F10 and try running your camera later. Hint, by default, Lenovo have allocated the function F8 to stop/start the camera. Step 9, go to an authorized computer repair service near your location, and check if you've run into the hardware problem.